If you have a Samsung A26 and want to install an APK file that you've downloaded, there's a few steps you need to go to in your settings that change before it'll let you install it. Usually you can only install files that come from the Play Store or Samsung Store. If you download a file, show here, like this file I downloaded from DJI, if you go to install it, it'll stage it, which is basically unpacking it, but it won't directly install it. It'll ask you to go to the settings. In the settings, you have to change a permission here. So you have to change this to allow to install or update files that you've downloaded outside of the store. After that, you'll have to make another settings change. Just go to Settings, top here, scroll down till you get to Security and Privacy, and then Auto Blocker. With this, you have to turn it off, and once you turn it off, you can go back to your file and it'll let you install it. So that basically unlocks it and lets you go ahead and install the file. Once it's installed and set up, you can go back in and turn that permission off, where if you're scrolling on the internet and mistakenly download a file, it won't be able to install anything on your phone with it. But you only turn that last setting off for known applications that you trust and want to turn on. It just makes it safer that way. So if this helps you out at all, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.